Hi, Anna. You're right on time.
Hello, Tom. I didn't want to be late.
What's that book?
Oh, it's a travel guide. I like reading about new places.
Interesting. Maybe we'll go on an adventure one day.
Maybe sooner than you think.
Good afternoon. What would you like?
A cappuccino, please.
And a green tea for me.
Great choice.
So, did your brother like me?
He did. He wants to play football with you next weekend.
Perfect. I'll bring my football shoes.
Good. But I also have another idea.
Oh,
There's a small town outside London. It has an old library and a beautiful park. Maybe we could go together.
that sounds like the beginning of an adventure. What's this?
Oh, it's a map. I found it inside the book.
A map? To where?
I don't know. Maybe to the library. Or maybe somewhere else.
Now I really want to see that town.
Then it's a plan. Next weekend, football and an adventure.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. And write in the comments the new words you learned.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.